Project-based learning has really been definitely a noticeable shift for me, starting, being in 8th grade and having 3 years here and seeing what that change actually looks like.
When designing a project, you're planning purposely and intentionally on a number of questions about, but what is the student voice and choice? What is the research that goes behind the project? What are the opportunities for them to collaborate with one another and communicate with one another? And finally, what is the product that they're going to be working towards and then showing, demonstrating the knowledge?
It is the essential part of today's 21st century learner. We recognize that doing things in a rote fashion or that meet a very specific and rigorous kind of thing only happens when students get a chance to use their own ideas and to push that forward.
From a teacher standpoint, it definitely is a moderate lift because they're doing things a little bit differently. But from a student standpoint, it's a quite robust experience because they're engaged in 7 different projects throughout the year.
The projects and those self-chosen activities kind of spark that inner passion for understanding what you're supposed to learn and then, applying that to the real world or your personal life. It's not only about, retaining the content, but also the process of working through struggles, with projects, having something not work, and that whole experience as a student, if you really look into how students are learning, it's an incredible shift.